happy Monday. It is currently 9 a.m. I've been in the office since about 6:30, cranking out a bunch of stuff today. I didn't really want to film today just because I have so much to do, but I figured that I wanted to kind of share everything that's going on right now. Today we have a lot happening. I'm in the office today with Dylan. We're doing a bunch of work, a bunch of phone calls, emails, the usual thing. One thing I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to order an iced coffee machine. I've never seen it before, but I guess there's like cold brew and some stuff I'm learning about because here at the office we're pretty addicted to coffee, so it's good to have that. But we're gonna go meet with one of my clients today. His name, or his account name, is Sports Car Management, and I do all of his social media for him. And he's based out of Ontario, which I never talked about this video, so insert clip from then now.
Your destination is on the left.
So as you can see, we are here at CNC Motors. You guys are in for a treat today.
Quite the sight like that. Jeez.
Holy crap. I've never seen it before. So I just finished up a meeting, and today, as you can already tell, we're over at CNC Motors in Ontario. They're about 50 minutes to an hour away from my house in Irvine, and they specialize in all high-end supercars. Holy crap. This is so sick. So I just finished up talking with the guys here at CNC, and I'm so stoked to finally announce that I signed them as a client. And I work with a lot of different people, but this is one of the dealerships I've been wanting to work with for the last few years. And like I said earlier in the video, I was super nervous and excited because I've seen these guys in DuPont Registry for the last like 7 to 10 years, and their inventory is insane. That's nothing compared to what they have, you know, before or after this. So you're gonna be seeing a lot more from CNC Motors. If you guys wanna check them out, the link is in the description box for their Instagram, which is what I'll be managing. Plus, I'm gonna be teaching them how to do YouTube. So they're gonna learn how to vlog here and get some really cool content for you guys to enjoy. So as you guys just saw, I was at CNC Motors. We're gonna go there again today to film. But I do a bunch of social media for them, so I want to bring you guys along for the day. May not be as super entertaining as their other videos, but I figured if you're interested, we're going to film some more in-depth stuff about what I do and what we have planned today.
Thank you.
Like the Lamborghini color, yeah. Because we went through like 10 different colors, and they had like Miami blue, and they had different variations of it. And I was like, I just want the closest to blue sepia.
We had a 675 LT in that color.
So today we're over at CNC Motors. If you guys remember, I had been here about 2 months ago to take over an account for a company called Sports Car Management. They do a lot of personal car selling. They help do the white glove service, but there's another part of the company that it really blends in with what they do. There's a few people that work in this operation at CNC, and I wanted to kind of bring you guys along that there's a clothing brand here called Wavy, and they've been around for a little bit of time, but they're looking to rebrand their face, their name, their image, and I'm gonna take care of that. So this is a new client here called Wavy. If you guys want to, right here at Wavy, you can follow them. You can see some of the stuff that we're developing as far as content and also kind of building their name as a new company coming out, rebranding their name and bringing more exposure to their company. So as you can see behind me, this is CNC Motors. They are one of the biggest dealerships in Southern California, if not probably the world, but I've been doing some social media for them for a company called Sports Car Management, and basically what they do is they do a white glove service where they pick a car, they help you find a car, they help you with financing, you never have to go to a dealership. But the cool thing is, if you look over here, this little black box right there, there's something in there that I'll show you that it's all inventory to a clothing brand that they also own. So there's 3 different divisions here. There's a clothing line, there's sports car management, and then there's CNC, which is all of these insane cars, all this insane inventory. So the cool thing is, I posted on Instagram saying that I'm doing work with CNC, and that was with just sports car management, just one company. Now I have all 3. I'm doing all of their social media, all of their marketing, and we're also jumping into content creation. So it's really exciting to finally announce that I'm doing all the social media for this company and also third-party companies that they run. So I'm excited. I can't wait to get this started. All right, I have the camera now. You guys can see that I did do a walk around last time, but their inventory changes so damn quickly. I don't even know where to start. I mean, Ford GT, look at that Bentley. Oh, look how nice that is. Damn. So that's one thing I'm super pumped about, is doing all the social media here, because it's around cars, it's around like insane 911R, they had the Ford GT, you got all these unique cars that I'm just pumped up to finally be doing this. Look at the color on that thing. Dude, just insane. If you guys would like to learn about what I do and how I have my career and how I do social media, I teach everything on devotedsociety.com, which is my website where I do online courses on how to get dealerships like this to pay you to manage their social media. As long as you can bring them value, people will pay you. Any business will pay you if you can bring them any kind of value and or more business. I teach all that. So check out the link below, devotedsociety.com, and you can see all the lessons I have on there to teach you guys how to do social media. Hey Dylan. You know what I just realized?
What?
We've never introduced you on any of the vlogs yet.
Here's Dylan.
Finally, this is my employee Dylan Cook. He goes by formerly Cars Aftermarket.
Yes,
now
formerly Cars Aftermarket. And now I go by Dylan Fuel on Instagram. More personal,
right,
I like
here,
my name in it.
You can follow him. So
right now I do content creation for Berke Marketing, and I also do social media management. So I'm running some of the social media pages as well as doing the content creation for a lot of the pages.
And how do you like it so far?
I like it so far. It's excellent.
Yeah.
Coming to work every day is just like, I have a smile on my face. It's exciting. Get to be around stuff like
this.
Dude,
it's fun. But one thing I like is that now that I have someone to kind of hang out with me, make videos, is I get to do this stuff with someone else.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I was always alone for the past year, just like, hey, here, we're at a cool dealership. But when you share it with somebody, it's like, what's your impression of CNC?
It's just like way, way over the top. Like every spec of every car is like the most amazing thing you could ever imagine.
It's insane, man. Cool. Well, I wanted to formally introduce you.
Definitely.
So I do have to say though, thank you so much for joining the team.
Of course. right, Spencer, what's your favorite car here? Pick one.
If I had to pick one car here out of everything, I'd say 100% the R34 GTR. I mean, that car is so rare. I know you can't drive it here in the States unless it's a, I'm trying to think of the name. There's some kind of name for Moto Trek, something. If it's that car, I'll drive it. But if not, I would probably pick this GT3, the RS for sure. So we just finished up, I hope you guys can hear me, but we just finished up at CNC Motors and it was awesome. I have to say a huge thank you to Paul and Clay and all the team here. They were just so polite and so nice. I mean, what a cool setup that they have, and I'm looking forward to doing more social media for them. So if you want to check out CNC Motors on Instagram, I'm gonna be running all their social media for them. Give them a follow, check out their cars, and let's go back to Orange County.